Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Jeep Compass front bumper. First, ensure you have all the right tools, including a trim removal tool, a ratchet, and various sockets. Safety is paramount, so lift the front of your Jeep Compass and secure it with sturdy jack stands. For better access to the fender liner, it's often helpful to remove the front wheels. This initial preparation makes the entire process much smoother and safer. Next, focus on the fender liners. You'll find several plastic clips and screws holding them in place. Use your trim removal tool to carefully pop out the clips and unscrew any fasteners. Once detached, gently pull back the fender liners to reveal additional bolts connecting the bumper to the vehicle's frame. Don't forget the upper grille. It usually has a few clips or small bolts that need to be removed. Now, move to the undercarriage of your Jeep Compass. There are typically several fasteners, often screws or bolts, holding the bottom edge of the bumper. Remove these to free the lower section. Then, reach behind the fender liners to access the main bumper bolts, usually 2 on each side. Before completely pulling the bumper away, remember to disconnect any electrical connections for fog lights or parking sensors. With all fasteners and connections removed, carefully pull the bumper straight forward to release it from its final mounting clips. Place it somewhere safe where it won't get scratched or damaged. Reinstallation is simply the reverse of these steps, making sure every bolt, screw, and clip is securely fastened. Remember to reconnect all electrical components. For more great tips and deals, check the description below, including a link to The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that can truly change how you think about money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.